If the global supply chain stops right now, the countdown to the end of modern civilization begins. You believe food is everywhere. You see it in supermarkets. You see it in convenience stores. But the truth is, you are looking at an illusion. Modern cities do not have food reserves. They rely on a system called just-in-time, a fragile chain of trucks, ships, and algorithms that never sleeps. If the internet goes dark, that chain snaps instantly. Today, we document the 3 stages of the first 72 hours. What happens when the food runs out? Trap number 1. The first 24 hours. The invisible panic. When the screens go black, nothing happens immediately. People wait, assuming the grid will return. But behind the scenes, the clock is ticking. Without the internet, logistics networks collapse. Trucks loaded with supplies stop moving because GPS and routing systems are dead. By hour 12, the smart money begins to move. The few who understand the system silently empty the shelves of local stores. There are no riots yet, just a quiet, systematic extraction of resources. By the end of day 1, supermarkets are already running on empty, and no new trucks are coming. Trap number 2. The 48-hour mark. The realization. By the second day, reality sets in. The grocery stores are locked. Shelves are completely stripped bare. Not even a single can remains. This is when the psychological shift happens. Panic transitions from quiet concern to raw desperation. Water becomes the primary obsession. Because municipal water pumps require electricity and digital monitoring, taps begin to run dry. People realize that help is not coming. Elites are already secure in their private infrastructures, while the urban population is left with less than 48 hours of resources stored in their pantries. The countdown accelerates. Trap number 3. The 72-hour threshold. The collapse. At hour 72, the human body enters a state of crisis. But society enters it faster. The 3-day rule is absolute. Society is only 9 meals away from anarchy. With no food and no clean water, urban centers turn into traps. The supply chain is completely dead, and the survival instinct takes over. Law enforcement dissolves as officers abandon their posts to protect their own families. The thin veneer of civilization is officially wiped out. You are now entirely on your own. The first step to surviving the collapse is knowing when to leave. In our next report, we will uncover the protocol for the first 30 days of isolation. Click the related video on the screen to access the blueprint before the lights go out. Stay sovereign. Stay awake.